Hello everyone, in this video we will be unboxing the brand new OnePlus Wireless Z earphones and we will be checking out its awesome features. Before that, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for getting latest notifications from my channel. As you can see, it's loaded up with some awesome features like quick switching, waterproofing, magnetic control, low latency mode, etc. Okay, let's unbox it and see what's inside. Like every OnePlus product, it comes with a sturdy packing. On opening the product, there is an additional red box that comes with some extra stuff, and let's check that one first. It comes with an C-type cable for charging, and also it comes with two additional buds that comes in medium and big size. Okay, finally let's check out the earphones and find out what it has to offer. The design is pretty decent for this price, and this one comes with glossy finish rather than the metallic design on the old models. It comes with 4 switches and one USB-C type port for charging. In between the volume adjusting keys, it comes with a function key which allows you to use play, pause and next option, and it also helps to enable Google Assistant. This earphone is very light and super comfortable to use. On looking into the features, there is an awesome function in this earphone which is quick switching. It allows you to easily switch between the last two paired devices, and it can be done by double clicking a dedicated switch for this feature adjacent to the C-type port. The magnetic control in this earphone helps you to pause the song automatically when it comes in contact. It also complies with the IP55 rating for sweat and water resistance. This earphone is based on the Bluetooth version 5 and have a range up to 33 feet. The low latency mode will give some good audio experience for gamers, even though the bass is not up to the point for this one. The battery life is just amazing for this product. You will get 10 hours of battery life with just only 10 minutes of charging. And you will get up to 20 hours on full charge. On testing, we got an average of 17 to 18 hours. Okay, here is some final thoughts for the OnePlus Wireless Z. If you are a person who wants to hear quality music and wants better movie experience from an earphone, this one is just not for you. But if you are a working person and gets many calls a day and use multiple devices at a time, this can be a perfect partner for you with its awesome battery life. If you found this content useful, make sure to like and share it among your friends. Also, feel free to comment down your opinions.